Hello children, how are you? Now we are in example 5. Just look it in your textbook, math textbook, page number 78. Example 5. Here the timetable is there, school timetable. Just observe this for timing. It will useful for your upcoming sums. Okay, now here first example, look it, find out the duration between first bell time and morning break time. It is very easy, subtract. Okay, how we have done before earlier, in the same way it is. You just observe it, you will know. The second question is here. This is little bit tricky, so I will try to do in my board. Okay, then I will show you how to do. It's easy. We have already done it. Again I am repeating for you, isn't it? Now listen carefully. Look at children, question number 2. Find the time interval between the time of class starting and the time of morning break. Okay, so here time is mentioned. In that we cannot subtract 30 minutes from 10 minutes. So what we have to do? We have to regroup. Okay, what we have learned in our earlier classes. Okay, so we have to regroup minutes. How we have to regroup minutes? We have to take 1 hour. That is, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so we have to regroup 1 hour. We have to take out from 11 hours. So we have to take 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, and we have to regroup with 10 minutes. Okay, 16 minutes plus 10 minutes. Then we have to subtract 30 minutes, isn't it? Let us follow here. Look at children here. We have to write in this method. So here we have to regroup, isn't it? So we have to take 1 hour, okay, from 11 hours, and then we have to regroup with 10 minutes. That 16 minutes we have taken from 11 hours, that we have to regroup with this minutes. Let us see how. 60 plus 10, okay, it is a minute, and then it is a 70 minutes, and here remaining is a 10 hours, isn't it? So we have to write here 10 hours and 70 minutes. Then we have to subtract 9 hour 30 minutes, isn't it? So we have to subtract now. So from 17 to 30, how it is? 7 minus 4, it is 4, and then it is a 1. Now our answer is 1 hour 40 minutes. The time interval between the time of class starting and the time of first break, that is morning break. We have to regroup to find the time interval. Look at question number 3. Find the total time. Okay, find the total time from starting of morning class to closing of afternoon class. So here this is also a same as we did earlier, but here little bit different is that in this we have to add 12 hours. How? When we have to subtract, okay, when we have to subtract from AM to PM, we should add 12 hours. Okay, we should add 12 hours in PM. Okay, just have a look. In this method we have to write our answer. Okay, it is question number 3. Afternoon school ending time is 4 hours 10 minutes. Morning class starting time is 9:30 AM. So okay, now we know afternoon means it is 1 o'clock. So it is PM, isn't it? It is PM. And 9 morning means AM. So we know we have to subtract. So we cannot able to subtract here. For this reason we have to regroup. How we have to regroup? For this, what we have to do? We have to add 12 hours in the PM only. Because when we have to subtract from AM to PM, okay, when we have to subtract from AM to PM, then we have to add, it is compulsion, it is compulsory, we have to add 12 hours with PM. Okay, so now it is 4:10 means, now it is, what we have to add, 12 means it is 16 hours and 10 minutes. Then we have to subtract. But here we have to take 1 hour from 16 hours, and then this 1 hour, that is means, you know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes we have to regroup with this 10 minutes, isn't it? With this 10 minutes, let us see. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. And now we can able to subtract 30 minutes from 70 minutes. So what is our answer? It is 40, isn't it? 40, and we have taken 1 hour from 16 hours. So we should write here 15 hours because we have taken 1 hour. So here 6 hours. So now we can able to find the total time from starting of morning class to closing of afternoon class is 6 hours 40 minutes. Now you would have understood clearly.